So what's my battery capacity above 70,000 miles? Well, I've got my camera set up, aimed at the Scan My Tesla app. So let's take a look. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today you'll notice I've got the camera aimed at my tablet here with the Scan My Tesla app. Now this is the screen I normally use, which is motor power in kilowatts and speed. This is the screen that I'm usually looking at when I drive. It's sort of like my basic gauge binnacle. But if I select the options tab here and click on battery, it'll open up this tab. And this is all of the specs of my battery. You'll notice current battery resting voltage, 388 volts. And battery current, right around 1 amp, a little bit less than an amp right now, that just to keep the system running. And just a few hundred watts of power. So anyway, you can see all of these different parameters here. Now, this is the one that this video is focused on. You'll notice here, nominal full pack. It says 72.6 kilowatt hours. So out of a 75 kilowatt hour pack, I'm at 71,036 miles on the odometer, you'll see here. And nominal full pack is 72.6 kilowatt hours. So that is the capacity left in my pack. If you look over here, energy buffer that Tesla has reserved is 3.3 kilowatt hours. It's my understanding that you don't add these two numbers together, because that would give me above 75 kilowatt hours. This means that there's less than 70 kilowatt hours available. So there's 72.6 kilowatt hours of energy capacity in my pack remaining at 71,000 miles. But 3.3 kilowatt hours of that is protected. So I have a little less than 70 kilowatt hours of usable energy. There's always 3 to 4 kilowatt hours of energy protected in the pack. But this is the number we're looking at, 72.6 kilowatt hours. So that's what, roughly 3% battery degradation at 71,000 miles. So pretty good. There's a lot of other data here. The cell temperatures, the maximum cell temperature that I have in my pack right now is 56.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The middle cell voltage, 55.4, and the minimum cell temperature in the pack is also 55.4. Maximum cell voltage is 4.05 volts. And there's a lot of really good information here. You'll notice there's 321 discharge cycles that in the life of the pack. 270 charge cycles. It's fantastic data that is available here, and so I highly recommend the Scan My Tesla app. This thing has just been a godsend. There are many different options you've got here. So there's this tab. I use this quite a bit. Battery voltage, current battery power, energy consumption. I'm not moving, so it just says infinity, but that's instant watt hours per mile. Rear stator temperature, the rear motor, which is 95 degrees Fahrenheit, cell temperature 55.9 currently, and speed 0 miles per hour. And you can configure these screens, I don't want to say any way you want, but there's quite a bit of configurability to them. So you can go with just speed. There's just the speed if you want just a speedometer. And I can also test my 0 to 60 time if I want. So here's a couple recordings: 6.2 seconds, 7.3 seconds. Lots of wheel spinning that occurs this time of year, so the car just doesn't hook at all. But yeah, it's kind of fascinating stuff. And here's some basic cell temperature and state of charge and different things that you can also read on this screen. So there are some totals. DC charges 1,625 kilowatt hours. So a lot of cool stuff on here. Again, I just wanted to focus on my my battery capacity, which again is 72.6 kilowatt hours. This is a question that was asked, so it's a question I wanted to answer on the channel. So really quick, simple video for you guys, but it's something I wanted to cover. So Anyway, I think that's it for me for today. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. We'll put that back at the performance tab that I use on a daily basis. So yeah, cool stuff. So you can see that my current battery internal capacity at 71,000 miles is 72.6 kilowatt hours. And now that does fluctuate a little bit, a couple tenths of a kilowatt hour, depending on the temperature of the pack. But sometimes it'll be 72.5. I've seen 72.8, but 72.6 is almost always what it shows. So the question was asked. I wanted to answer it in a quick video. What is my battery capacity at 71,000 miles? So there you guys go. It's about 3% battery degradation over the 71,000 miles that the car has run. So very, very good. I am not the least bit worried about the battery wearing out in this car. So anyway, I think that's it for me for today. Another quickie video for you. So if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, stay charged. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye now.